Good morning, class 8 students. How are you all? Hope you all good at your home. So I'm your computer teacher from California Public School. So welcome back to the video series of your chapter number 8. So in the last video we have discussed advantages of networking. So in this video we will start from the topic networking medium. So let's start. So there are what is actually medium? Medium is a way to communicate that a one computer can communicate with another computer. So in this we have a networking medium. So we will use the medium which has network, that is called a networking medium. So network medium can be of two types. Number one is wired network and number two is wireless network. In a wired network there is a cable, so there is a connection, physical connection between two devices. So number one is ethernet cable. So this is the picture of your ethernet cable. So ethernet cable is one of the popular form of network cable used in wire network. This cable resembles a phone cable, but it is larger than phone cable and it has 8 wires. It has 8 wires inside it. Ethernet cable connect various PCs, routers, switches with a local area network. If you want to connect to the LAN means internet, then you can connect this wire with PC, personal computer, routers and switches. All these routers and switches are networking devices. So what is the advantage of this cable? So it has a less power consumption, but there is a drawback also. You need a extra ethernet adapter card on the motherboard. If you want to connect this wire, आप इस कनेक्ट करना चाहते हो इस वायर को, then your motherboard, आपके motherboard के पास ethernet adapter card होना चाहिए to connect this. So this is one of the drawback of this one. So there are two types of ethernet cables. It's a crossover and straight through. Crossover means it is designed to connect two computers without a hub or router. आप दो pieces को connect कर सकते हो without using hub or router. So next is straight through cable. That means both the end of the cables have identical to each other. Suppose there is a cable, तो केबल के जो दोनों ends हैं they are identical to each other. It is used to connect a computer to a router or a switch. यहाँ पे आप नहीं यूज़ करते but you can use this here. So after this next is a coaxial cable. So there is a cable. It is also a transmission medium. It is used to transmit. Transmission means transfer of video communication and audio. It is mainly used by the cable television industry to connect TV to a cable TV service. If you find in your setup box there is a cable, आपके setup box में ये cable रहता है to connect cable to your TV. So this can be used in network and high bandwidth. High bandwidth means a capacity, a huge capacity to transfer data. So coaxial cable consists of a central copper wire. So there is a central copper wire, you can see here, surrounded by insulation and then shield a braided wire. Insulation and there is a braided wire. So after this it is an inexpensive wire and transmit data at higher rate. It provides better immunity against electromagnetic disturbance. The only disadvantage of this is high installation and maintenance cost. So there are two types, baseband and broadband. Baseband means it supports quick transmission of a single signal at a time. आप single signal को transmit कर सकते हो. It is used in LANs. In broadband you can transmit multiple signal at a time and it is used for longer distances. This is for short distances, this is used for longer distances. Next, so the third is fiber optic. Fiber optic is also a wired network and it has a very large transmission capacity as compared to ethernet cable and coaxial cable. So it is basically a glass, central glass core containing a bunch bundle of glass threads surrounded by a several layers of protective material. The glass threads are capable to transmit data converted into a light signal and extremely high speed. ये क्या करते हैं? It takes the data and convert into the light signals में कन्वर्ट करके उसको क्या करते हैं, हाई स्पीड से ट्रांसमिट कर देते हैं. सो इट हैज़ अ हाई बैंडविड्थ and it provides a data transmission at a very great speed. Fiber optic cable is popular technology for LAN, it's local area network, but in future almost all communication will employ these fiber optics. However, it is fragile and maintenance cost is high. So maintenance cost is very high because it is made up of glass. सो इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ हैंडल विद केयर ग्लास. बहुत ही आपको ध्यान से इसको यूज़ करना पड़ता है बिकॉज ऑल दीज आर ग्लास वायर्स. सो आफ्टर सो दीज थ्रीज आर Ethernet, coaxial and fiber optic. These three are the wired technologies. Now come to the wireless technology. It's a Bluetooth. So here is the icon of the Bluetooth. So Bluetooth is a wireless connection. It connects two computer or two devices wirelessly. So wirelessly means there is no need of cable to connect two computers. So it uses low power radio waves to connect. It allows user to talk and share information like voice, music and video. It establishes short range communication between phones, computers and other devices. It is used for PAN, it's personal area network with a maximum transmission range of 240 meters. So ये 240 meters के अंदर ही काम करता है. This technology eliminates the use of cable and adapters. So here is the icon. So indicates that the device is enabled with Bluetooth. So after this we have a infrared technology. It is the same kind of Bluetooth technology, but it has a infrared technology. It's also a short range communication technology like Bluetooth. It covers only 5 meters of distance. It is used to exchange information between computers, cellular telephones, and faxes by eliminating infrared waves through infrared LEDs. Infrared जो waves होती हैं वो emit करती हैं, निकलती हैं वहाँ से through infrared LEDs. So infrared communication can take place between two devices at a time. Infrared technology or a network signals cannot penetrate wall and other obstruction at it works only in the डायरेक्ट लाइन ऑफ साइट में काम करते हैं, कहीं भी पेनेट्रेट नहीं करते. पेनेट्रेट का मतलब होता है गोइंग थ्रू टू समथिंग. सो this signal is focused on a narrow beam through a plastic lens which is further converted into a इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिग्नल बाय अ रिसीवर. यहाँ से जब सेंडर टू रिसीवर जाता है, रिसीवर उसको किस में कन्वर्ट करता है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिग्नल. सो रिमोट कंट्रोल इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ योर इंफ्रारेड. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव अ Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. Everybody heard about this word. It creates a wireless LAN, local area network, that uses radio waves to send the information. It is a secure, reliable and a fast wireless communication or a connection is established between the electronic devices and the internet by using this technology. So we can number of advantages of using Wi-Fi. Number one is Wi-Fi replace the wired medium completely. So there is no need of cable and wires when you are using this Wi-Fi technology. It is used to connect internet anytime anywhere. कहीं भी आप कर सकते हो इंटरनेट को कनेक्ट विदाउट बोदरिंग कि मेरे पास वायर नहीं है एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स, डेटा केबल नहीं है टू कनेक्ट. सो इट इज़ रिलेटिवली इनएक्सपेंसिव, चीप है एंड कैन बी असेस्ड एट प्लेस वेयर केबल कैन नॉट बी इंस्टॉल. वन कैन कनेक्ट मल्टीपल डिवाइसेस थ्रू वाईफाई. से हम मल्टीपल डिवाइसेस को कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, बट इट हैज़ अ limitation also. It has high power consumption. It is slower than the wired network. The transmission break or slow down when there is a noise interference. So ट्रांसमिशन ब्रेक हो जाता है, बीच में रुक जाता है, इफ़ यू वांट टू ट्रांसफर वन फाइल टू अनदर, if there is a noise. So after this we have a types of network. So number one is PAN. It's a personal area network. It covers only 10 meters of distance, so it is used in a small areas. It is used for communication among devices such as laptop, mobile phones, PDAs and smartphones. So personal PAN can either be wired or wireless. You can use these network to transfer files including emails, calendar appointments, digital photographs and music. So here is a picture of your PAN. So private PAN, it's a private network basically. Yeah. So this is all about. Next, LAN. It is somehow large than the personal network. So here is a picture of your LAN. It's a LAN on the center and all the computers are connected to this LAN. So it is used, two or more computers and peripheral devices are connected within a small area such as a room or a office campus or office building. In LAN, computer terminals are physical connected with wires. So they are connected with wires with LAN. The data transmission speed is slow as compared to WAN. Since LAN is operated in a small area, it is controlled and administrated by a single person or a organization. So there is a person और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ पर्सन जो इस लैंड को क्या करती है, हैंडल करती है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव अ कैन. इट्स अ कैंपस एरिया नेटवर्क. सो हियर इज द पिक्चर. बिल्डिंग 1, बिल्डिंग 2, 3, 4. It's a building network area. So it is a network comprises of a small LANs. Each building has its own LAN and we combine all the LANs, then CAN makes over a small geographical area. कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं हम लोग, स्कूल कैंपस या कॉलेज कैंपस के अंदर. दिस network covers a area smaller than a MAN. And what is MAN? It's a metropolitan area network. It is larger than the LAN. LAN से बड़ा होता है. It spreads across the area. ये एक पूरे सिटी का एरिया कवर कर सकता है. एंड सिटी काफ़ी किलोमीटर्स और 100 ऑफ किलोमीटर्स में स्प्रेड होती है. So why it is called a metropolitan? The most common example of MAN network is the cable television or branches of a local bank in the city. So here is the picture of your MAN. It's a wide area and building वही है but it covers more area than LAN, CAN and PAN. So next we have a WAN. WAN is a wide area network. So this kind of network connect two or more computers located at different places or distinct places. When computers are placed on a distant places, काफ़ी दूर पड़े हुए हैं, in that it connects one country to another. That is wide area network. एक कंप्यूटर यहाँ है, एक कंप्यूटर अब्रॉड में कहीं किसी और कंट्री में है, तो यू कैन कनेक्ट दीज टू कंप्यूटर विद द हेल्प ऑफ WAN बिकॉज WAN इज़ अ बिग नेटवर्क. सो दे आर लिंक्ड बाय कम्युनिकेशन facilities like communication or satellite signal. The most common example of WAN type is a telecom system. The usage of WAN is limited to a very large organization and government policies. कौन कौन यूज़ करता है इनको? गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज, बिकॉज देयर use is restricted. The main characteristic of WAN is require a public telecommunication medium to transfer data. It needs a public telecommunication medium to transfer data. So the best example is internet and intranet in a large multinational company, ATM facility, national and multinational bank customer service. तो ये कहाँ कहाँ यूज़ होता है? ATM facility, internet and intranet. What is internet and intranet? Let me tell you. So there is a building. The communication within this building is called internet. Okay, intranet. This is called a intranet. There is a one building and communication within a single building is called a intranet. And if there are two buildings and the communication between these two buildings is called internet. Intranet, internet. So here is a picture of your van. So there is a LAN, multiple computer LAN and LAN. When we connect these LANs through these switches, it's a communication subsystem, so that these become a van. So class, this is all about today's period. So thank you so much. Have a good day. Take care.